Welcome to Euron, everyone. My name is Dhanshu Kumar and I'm here with a new series announcement. As we all know that Euron is a OTT platform for an education. So obviously as a OTT, we will keep on launching a series, and here I am with one new series. So here this time the series is going to be MLOps Masters. We all know that learning just an algorithm is not enough, or maybe writing a code or maybe solving some problem is not enough. When you have to build a system, when you have to build a system so that system will be able to serve a million and millions of people. Now at that place this ops comes into a picture, and ops is going to give you a power, ops is going to give you a capabilities by which you can try to build a system in a way that it will be able to serve, it will be able to cater millions and millions of people without any kind of a disturbance. And this is where for a data science people, so ML ops comes into a picture. We have other ML ops courses available on our platform even now, so you can go, you can check out, you can explore, and you are going to love it for sure, right? But yeah, so this is a new course, a new series, a new season I'm going to start for all of you from 25th of June, which I'm going to take personally. And every Monday, so we are going to release one module. I think we all are aware about what you will get section, so where you are going to get a personalized WhatsApp group, many more things. You are going to get Euron Plus, Yuri, like under Euron Plus, by the way, Yuri, Resume, Job, Avni, everything and everything you will be able to get it. Now, so just go and check out the syllabus, guys. You will be amazed and you are going to love this entire syllabus. The way I have created this syllabus, the way I have prepared this entire syllabus. So I'm not leaving not even a single teeny tiny bit of things unturned over here, so that all of you are going to learn things in a best possible way. And at the end of the day, the motto is to make you capable enough to build so that you can go inside the industry and you will be able to build, deploy, you will be able to host something for a scale, just like a real engineer, right? Like a real engineer. So that's a motto behind this entire course, ML Ops course. You are going to find out now. Total number of sections is going to be a 12 section. Delivery is going to start after 25th of June. So whichever is going to be a very first Monday, I'm going to start delivering the entire module one by one, every module as per the schedule. You are going to get into a dashboard over a WhatsApp. We are going to give you notification, and we are not charging anything extra for anything, right? We are not charging literally nothing, anything extra for anything. So everything is available under a simple monthly or yearly subscription. If you are going ahead with the yearly subscription, you will be able to avail a little bit of discount that we are offering to all of you. So with that, guys, thank you so much. See you again in my next video.